Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today we would like to show how you can turn off Talkback in VIVO phone. So as you can clearly see, the Talkback mode is active now. So in order for me to disable it, I will need to hold the side power button for a second, and then you'll have the additional button that appears at the power off menu once the Talkback mode is activated. That is the turn off the Talkback. So select it firstly by performing a single tap, and then double tap at this option. And as you can see, the Talkback mode was successfully disabled. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.